Hi, if you're having problems with your garbage disposal, there are a few quick and easy things you can try. First of all, if your unit is leaking from the bottom, go ahead and put in a maintenance request, because the solutions we're going to try today would not solve that problem. However, if your unit isn't starting up at all when you flip the power on, it's likely that the reset button has been tripped on the bottom of the unit. If you feel for it, it should be protruding, and when you press it up, it should click. Now you can try the unit again. It should either work, which would be perfect, or it will hum and not run, in which case you will need your Allen wrench that should be in your unit. It should have been left in your drawer or cabinets when you moved in. If you don't have this Allen wrench, you can go ahead and call maintenance or put in a maintenance request. If you do have it, you can go ahead and attach it to the middle of the unit on the bottom and manually wrench it, which should clear up any clogs. You can also check inside the unit, being careful not to put your hand in, to see if there's anything jammed inside the unit. Again, you can test it. If it's working perfectly now, again, great. If it's not, you can go ahead and put in a maintenance request, and we can have maintenance out as soon as possible. Thank you.